Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Snapchat body pass not available, or if at all it's not working. Now this is a simple fix. You don't need to come to Snapchat itself. You just need to head over to your settings, come to the apps, then search for settings. Once you search for settings, come and look for app management and then tap on app list. Now, point to note is that what causes this is most cases just an application glitch, which requires you to clear up the app's cache and the data. And then after that, just come to search bar here, then go ahead and search for Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat itself, tap on storage and cache, clear cache, and also clear the storage. After that, open up Snapchat and the body pass will be working normally. So it's just a simple app glitch that needs to be fixed. Thanks for watching.